Hi everyone, so you're welcome to this class. So today I want to show you how to use Google Classroom for this course. How to use Google Classroom for this course. So when you receive an invitation like this, just click on the invitation. So you're going to see the name of the class you want to attend, and you click join class. So the moment you join the class, you're going to see this interface. So you can decide to use the Gmail you provided, or you want to switch into another Gmail. So you have the option to switch, or you use the Gmail register with. So now you are inside the Google Classroom. Now you can see here I have 3 different classrooms, but what I'm joining now, BMC Data Analysis 2023. So under this we see classwork. So this is where you're going to see all your materials. All your materials, recording, workbook, assignment, you're going to see them under the classwork. In this case, day 1 here, can you see now? The way we are going to structure the class is going to be on daily basis. So we have day 1, which is going to be introduction, which was introduction. Select day 1. Here you have the workbook, and here you have the recordings too. So click on the workbook. You're going to see what we have inside this Excel Day 1 workbook. So these are the courses we have inside it. The same thing with recordings. Click on the recordings. The courses, the content of each of them are put inside the material too. So you can just click on the link below and you start enjoying the class. Now look at day 2 also. So if you click on day 2 now, you're going to see that we have the workbook also that contain these topics. Excel day 2. So these are the topics you can find inside it. In case you don't know which workbook can you find your work, just open the workbook. Before you download the workbook, you're going to see the content. The same thing with recordings. You want to know which time something was taught, name range was taught, just click on the the material. You're going to see it there just like that. Now assuming you want to log in from outside, not from your Gmail, you have registered already. Now just go to Google page. So you're going to see this 9 dots on the extreme top right. Scroll down. So from there you're going to see the Google Classroom down here. Can you see Google Classroom? Click on it. So it's going to open for you. So the moment the Google Classroom is opened, select the class you want to join. I'm joining BMC Data Analysis September 2018. Click on that, and now I'm inside the classroom. It's as simple as that. Here, this is where you post. If you have any information for the class, you post it here. Everybody will read from there. Want to see your material? Click on classwork. Go to see the materials here. Materials, assignment, recordings are dropped in this place. So I wish you best of luck as we start the journey together. Thank you very much.